Hello, and thanks for visiting my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a set of wheels that I finally acquired that just may be unique enough to call my own. So you may recall a video that I shot a while back where I was asking the question of whether or not Nogaros were going to become rare enough in the US to be prized. Not necessarily valuable, just prized and sought after because of the unique look that they provide. Relatively unique in the United States. I actually did trip over a fantastic deal on a used set. They were in great condition, and I bought them and figured I would just put some winter tires on them, or something so I can have winter and summer tires. So they were going to go in storage for who knows how long until I did this, and then I decided I wanted to make a move and powder coat them. So I took them to a powder coater and had them powder coated gunmetal gray. And I gotta say, they look pretty good when I opened them in the boxes and checked them out. I shared some teaser photos of them, I think on my website, but definitely in Facebook. And now that they're on the car, I gotta say, I love them. I really didn't think it was gonna be make this big of an impact, but they look great with the reflex silver car. And you figure the Nogaros are going to be kind of low in numbers, relatively speaking, in the United States, since they're only available on one model of GTI during one model year. And now I've gone and changed the color of mine and completely changed the look of the wheel and the car. And so now I have that unique look that is all my own without being too flashy. These wheels aren't the type they're going to be, people trying to steal them and everything. They're not that blingy, but they do give me just that little bit to set me apart from everybody else without going overboard. So I've been flashing some photos of the wheels as I've been playing the video, and I don't know, comment below, tell me what you think of them. Go visit my website and read the story about how I got these things, because the poor guy who was trying to sell them, he's just having such a hard time with people giving him flack for selling them so cheap. He was moving, so he wanted to get rid of some stuff quickly and without a bunch of headache, and apparently I was the only person who was willing to do that, pay his asking price and go to him to get them. So amazing what people buying stuff will try to pull on sellers. So I don't know, that's enough babbling out of me about these wheels. Like I said, check them out on my website, read the story, and tell me what you think. And of course, as always, thanks for visiting.